Dear student, today I will solve exercise 3.2 in trigonometry function, class 11th. Find the values of other 5 trigonometry function. So first part है cos is equal to minus 1 by 2, x lies in third quadrant. So there are 6 trigonometry ratio. First in 6 ratio, in first part cos x is equal to minus 1 by 2, another 5 trigonometry ratio. So sin trigonometry ratio, sin, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. So there are 6, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. So one value is find out given that and other 5 trigonometry ratio find out. So now solution of this question, we know that identity sine square, solution of this question. So sine square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. So now put value here. So sine square x plus minus 1 by 2 whole square is equal to 1. Sine square x plus 1 by 4 is equal to 1. Sine square x is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4. So 3 by 4. Sine square x. So therefore x is equal to sine x is equal to plus minus square root 3 by 4. So sine x is equal to plus minus root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. So now x lies in third quadrant. Third quadrant, this is first quadrant, second quadrant and third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So all values positive, trigonometry ratio. So sine cosec positive and tan cot positive and cos sec positive, remaining negative. So sine x lies in third quadrant, this is in third quadrant is sine, only tan cot positive, other remaining negative. So sine taken negative value, x is equal to minus root 3 by 2. So this is first answer. And so now sine this tan x is equal to sine x upon cos x. So sine x means minus root 3 by 2 upon cos x given minus 1 by 2. 2 to cancel out, this is root 3. So opposite tan cot x is equal to 1 upon tan x. So this is 1 upon root 3. So cot 1 upon root 3. So this is tan value of this, and cot sec x is equal to 1 upon cos x is equal to 1 upon minus 1 by 2. So this is minus 2. And cosec x is equal to 1 upon sin x is equal to 1 upon sin x. So this is value minus root 3 by 2. So minus 2 upon root 3. So all values given. So sec x is equal to minus 2 and cosec x is equal to minus 2 upon root 3, tan x is equal to root 3 and cot x is equal to 1 upon root 3, sin x is equal to root 3 by 2, this is minus. So there are five ratio find out, and tan cot third quadrant positive and other negative value. So this is minus value and minus value. There are two values positive. So this is answer. Question number 2, value x is equal to 3 by 5, x lies in second quadrant, find other 5 ratio. So solution of this question. So now given sin x is equal to 3 by 5. So we know that identity cos square x plus sin square x is equal to value 1. So cos square, so sin value put here, cos square x plus sin square 3 by 5 whole square is equal to 1. So cos square x plus 9 upon 25 is equal to 1. So cos square x is equal to 1 minus 9 upon 25. So 25 minus 9 upon 25 is equal to 16 upon 25. Cos square x is equal to 16 upon 25. So cos x is equal to plus minus square root 16 upon 25. So this is value of plus minus 4 upon 5. So now given value of x lies in second quadrant. So this is first quadrant, this is second, third and fourth. So this is sine and cosec value positive and other negative. So x cos x take in negative value. So value of cos x is equal to minus 4 upon 5. Sec x is equal to opposite of cos, so minus 5 upon 4. And cosec x is equal to 1 upon sin x is equal to 1 upon 3 upon 5 is equal to 5 upon 3. 5 upon 3. And tan x is equal to sin x upon cos x is equal to sin x means 3 upon 5 and cos x means minus 4 upon 5. Cancel out. So minus 3 upon 4. So this is tan. Cot x is equal to 1 upon tan x is equal to 1 upon minus 3 upon 4 is equal to minus 4 by 3. So now value of other 5 ratio sign given that. So cos x is equal to minus 4 upon 5, sec x is equal to, this is sec minus 5 upon 4, and tan x is equal to minus 3 upon 4, cot x is equal to minus 4 upon 3, and cosec x is equal to 5/3. This is answer. These 5 ratios lies on in second quadrant. That's all. Thank you.